Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. In today's lecture we are going to learn how to install n8n both on your local machine and on the cloud. If you have been wondering how to set up your own automation environment and start building workflows without relying on expensive third-party platforms, this session is exactly what you need. Let's get started. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly understand what n8n is. n8n is a workflow automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services together. You can automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, processing data, or integrating APIs without writing much code. Let's start with installing n8n on your local machine. First, you need node.js installed on your system. Go to the official node.js website and download the latest LTS version. Here is the official website of node.js. Click on it. Click on download option. Here is the version of node.js. We choose LTS version of node.js. Click on it. Scroll down. Click Windows installer. Now you can see node.js been installed. Click on it. Double click on it. Click next. Mark the option. Again click next. Click npm package manager. Next. Finish. Open Windows PowerShell and write npm space install space n8n space -g. Enter. It takes some time. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. Wait on it. To check the version of Node, click Node space -v, enter, and npm space -v. If it shows, this means Node has been installed. To run n8n locally, write n8n, enter. Press O to open in browser. Write your email. Now write your first name, last name, create strong password, click next. Create get started, skip. Here is the interface of n8n. Click on the plus icon, click workflow. Here you can create your workflow to automate your work. Now let's talk about deploying n8n on the cloud so you can access it from anywhere. The easiest way is to use the official n8n cloud service. Just go to the n8n website. Here is the website of n8n. Click get started. Write your email. Click submit. After this you will receive verification code in your email. Now write your verification code. Click submit. After this write your full name. Create a strong password. Write account name. After this click start free 14 days trial. After this, here is the options. You can select any option to continue. I choose only me. Click any option. I choose IT option. I choose Google option. Click submit. Here is the option to invite team member. Click skip. Start automating. Here is the interface of n8n cloud. Click personal. In the top right corner, click create workflow. Here is the interface of n8n where you can create your workflow. Today we walk through how to install n8n both locally and on the cloud, and you now have everything you need to get your environment up and running. In the next lecture, we will dive deeper into the n8n interface and begin creating your first workflow step by step. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.